welcome to another Microsoft Access tutorial video. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn about how to create relationship between two tables inside Microsoft Access. So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also the aim of likes for this video is only 5. So can we go to 5 likes? Let's see. So for this we have to open two tables. So I'm opening this database. We created this database in the last video. So I'm opening this database. This is called the information database. And if you see this kind of an warning, security warning, certain content in the database has been disabled, you have to click on this option, and then you have to go to enable this content. You have to check this and click OK. So I will take sheet 1. This is the Excel sheet. This is the sheet I created, and this is the sheet I imported from Excel in the last video. So I'm going to use this sheet 1, okay, and go to create and go to table. We are going to create a new table over here. So we have sheet 1, and I will delete this country, that is close this country, and I will rename this sheet 2 to, let's say, table 2 to sheet 2. Make sure you hit that like button, okay, don't forget about it, and also watch this video till the end. So the next thing that I'm going to do over here is right click sheet 2 and go to design view, and I'm going to create a few fields over here. So we have name, class, section over here. So I'm going to give address, and address will be text, and phone number, phone underscore number. You can use underscore if you don't want to give space, because space is not allowed. So you can give number, okay. Right click on this, save. This is very easy. So right click on this and again go to data sheet view. Now I will do some data entries from create form. I will be creating a form of sheet 2, and right click on this form, go to form view, and I'm going to give some data entries over here. So I will give the data entries and I will be right back. Okay, so the data has been entered. So I will be right click on this, close, and I will be saving this, okay, sheet 2, and I will be giving the name as sheet 2 form. Don't forget to like the video, okay, and click on OK. And after that I will be I will be going to refresh all and clicking this refresh all. So you can see I have 6 data entries over here and 6 data entries on this sheet as well. So I'm going to create relationship between sheet 1 and sheet 2. This is the portion you should watch carefully till the end. So the next one will be go to create. I'm very sorry, you should go to database tools, and you can see show or hide group. You can see the relationships option. This is very easy to do. So you should take the tables. So I'm taking the tables. This is sheet 1 add, sheet 2 add, okay, and I will be closing this window and I will be readjusting these two, okay. Now the next thing that I'm going to do over here, watch very carefully, okay, don't skip the video. Next thing that I'm going to do over here is create relationship. So edit relationship options, under the tools group you have to click on this, and you can see that I have few parameters over here. So I'm going to take create new, and after create new I'm going to take a left table name. My left table name is sheet 1, you can see over here sheet 1, and the right table name you can see over here, this is sheet 2. I'm going to take sheet 2. So the left column name I will be taking name, and after that the right column name I will be taking the phone number, okay. So I'm making a relationship between name and phone number, okay. Don't skip the video, watch till the end. And after that I'm going to click on OK, okay, and after that I'm going to create this particular relationship, and you can see the relationship has been created. Thanks for watching this video. Like the video, subscribe this channel, and also comment.